Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Todoist's Inbox for task capture, a must-know for your productivity journey in 2025. First up, you'll need to open Todoist on your preferred device and navigate to the Inbox tab. This is the hub of all your quick thoughts and ideas. The reason we start here is because it's designed to make task capture seamless, so you can get your ideas down before they vanish. Now that we're in the inbox, click on the Add Task button. Here, jot down whatever task or idea that's on your mind. It doesn't have to be perfect. The beauty of Todoist's Inbox is it lets you capture thoughts in their raw form so you don't lose the essence of your initial brainwave. Next up, assign a due date to your task by clicking on the Schedule icon. This helps us because it allows us to prioritize tasks and manage our time more efficiently. Now, here's what's happening behind the scenes. Todoist is smart enough to recognize natural language. So if you type "read book by next Friday," Todoist automatically sets the due date to next Friday. It's a nifty feature that makes scheduling tasks a breeze. Finally, remember to hit the Add Task button to save your task. Now it's safely stored in your inbox, ready for you to tackle when the time comes. And there you have it. You've just learned how to use Todoist's Inbox for task capture. It's a powerful tool that can help you stay on top of your to-dos and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Thanks for joining, and remember, Todoist is here to make your life easier, one task at a time.